Dancercise dance tutorial on song Cham 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 from movie Baaghi on very popular demand of our viewers. So this is for you guys. Let's start. So guys, to ease the dance moves, I again divided song in 8 beats, and as it is a typical Bollywood song, I put some Indian steps into it. So let me show you first step. So you turned, your right hand will move from down to up in 8 beats. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically you have to move your wrist inwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you have to take turn from back to front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only in 6 numbers. Now we have left with 16 beats again. So let me show you the steps, how steps are. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if I merge into 8 beats, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And another 8 beats are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now let me teach you. So what you need to do, you need to take little slight turn to your left diagonally. Your right is up like a kick, and you have to join your hands. So you're not really clapping, but you have to show that you're clapping. And slight jump like this. So it's 1, 2. Same thing to your right. 3, 4. Now 5, 6. You have to take turn from your right. So open your body and your hands, both the hands, and right is up. 5, 6, 7, 8. So again, it's just 7 and 8. So you have to crush something from your foot. So 7 and 8, your elbow is down to your right hand. It's 7 and 8. Another 8 steps are little hop. So it's 1 and rotate your waist, 2, rotate your waist. So it's your both the hands are to your left. Rotate your waist from your right to left, and it's opposite again. After hop, your both the hands to your right and move your waist from left to right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Your left is up. 7. Look up, and your hands moving outwards. 7 and 8. Let's see on music. So after this, our whole dance is based on lyrics. So let me first show you our dance moves with the lyrics, and then I'll teach you. So after this, song is like this. Zulfon se bandh liye baadal, and one more time. सीने पे से उड़ने. So सीने पे से उड़ने लगा आंचल, तुझसे नैना मिला के ए मौसम होने लगे पागल. So now let me teach you. So after this, you have to move to your left and touch your head. So left and right. So zulfon se bandh. Join your hands and your legs. Bandh liye. Look there, up to your left. So bandh liye. So zulfon se bandh liye badal. You have to just take one move, one turn. Badal. So make sure that you're moving like this, and your feet and your hands moving in same direction. So badal, and one more time because there is another beat. Badal. Seene pe se, left and right, touch your chest. Seene pe se udne. So move your hands, both the hands out, and your right kick. Udne laga. Touch your hand to your forehead and your right hand to your at the back of your head. Chal, and turn tujhse. So you have to face and point out in front. Tujhse naina. So what you need to do, you need to sway from your front to your right. Naina, mila, twice hip it. Mila, K. Now twice hip hit and rotation. Mila, K. And now this is the hand position. Out, hips out, hands out. So it's like this and this. Once again. Tujhse, naina, mila, K, A, Mausam. So both the hands up and facing to your right. Mausam hone lage pagal. What you need to do? Pa. You have to look to your left. Pagal. So here, left leg and right hand. Change. Right hand up and left leg up. So pagal. Same hand and same leg. No confusion. Okay? Let me show you all. So after this, what you need to do? Sabse, left is up. Sabse, hoke. Move your wrist out. Sabse, hoke, be, fikar. So it is very fast. So after this, sabse, hoke, be, fikar. Little down, you have to bend yourself. Be, fikar. Nachu, you have to touch your ankle. Nachu me, aaj. So let me show you once again. After this, sabse, hoke, pe, fikar, nachu mein, aaj. Now, the signature step that Shraddha Kapoor did in this song. Nachu mein, aaj, cham. What you need to do, you need to show your shoulder to your right side. You need to move your body and your foot together. So it's like cham. As if that there is something lying down on the floor and you have to just remove it. So, cham, cham, cham. It's like this. So this step is, again let me show you, it's cham, cham, cham. Your both hands at the back of your head. And same step, cham, cham, cham. So basically you have to move your body like this. Left and right. Left and right. Make sure you're removing something from your floor and with the help of your shoe. So like this. Okay? So it's like chum, 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 chum. Once again, to your right. Both the hand, right hand is up, left hand is back. Hip hit, hip hit, hip hit. So it's like mudra. Chum, 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 hop, chum, 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 hop, chum, 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 chum. Okay, let me show you on music. Choreography on this dance. Hope you liked it. And for further steps, you can use the same steps, same signature steps, and you can fit into the beats. But to see how it all adds up, you can again see my fun performance. Here you go.